As an essential business, in this case we're talking about Nevada State Bank, they have secured approval for more than 4,200 SBA Paycheck Protection Program loans, helping Nevada businesses and nonprofit organizations cover about 65,000 jobs. Here's more on how they're helping.
Well, I think when the COVID-19 pandemic started spreading across the United States, a lot of nonprofits like the Ronald McDonald House, we were facing so much uncertainty, just like everybody else. We didn't know what the future held. We just knew that in all likelihood, people would be losing their jobs, people would be getting sick. Most likely donations to charities were going to drop drastically.
The Paycheck Protection Program was a part of the CARES Act, and it provided businesses with funding in order to continue keeping their employees on payroll. Many businesses were either completely shut down or operating at a limited capacity. So the Paycheck Protection Program allowed them to continue paying their employees during that time. If you use the PPP loan towards payroll and up to 25% towards other eligible business expenses, you could potentially get 100% of that loan forgiven.
There was so much uncertainty that it made the process kind of an intimidating or daunting thought. So we reached out to NSB to say, hey, we want to partner with you on the PPP. You've always been there for us. This is the way we want to go.
Nevada State Bank was able to do over 65,000 jobs. Many of these jobs were tied to a Nevadan, someone that has either a family or themselves that they need to provide for. So during a time when our entire state has been on a mandated shutdown or operating at a very limited capacity, these funds helped alleviate some financial stress on those small businesses.
The Ronald McDonald House is and has always been and always will be an essential service. So regardless of what's going on in the world, we have families already in crisis, already in medical crisis because their children are in the hospital. I need my staff focused on the mission at this time. I don't need them worrying about whether they're going to have a job tomorrow. I don't need them worrying about whether they're going to have their hours cut back. And having the PPP, knowing that my staff was safe and secure and that they knew that they had a paycheck that was going to be coming, allowed them to relax and to remain focused on what was most important, that is serving our families, so they could focus on the full recovery of their children in the hospital.
Nevada State Bank colleagues really felt the level of importance that was put on this program for their customers and for businesses. If they took a break, they did it because they needed to either eat or sleep, and that was it. Outside of that, they were in front of their computer, they were on the phone trying to communicate as much as they could and help as many businesses as possible. I do believe that there are businesses that still need funding, primarily sole proprietors or other small businesses that haven't taken advantage of the PPP loan. If you are interested in applying, then you can go to a Nevada State Bank or go to nsbank.com/cares because we are still taking applications through June 30th.
We want to thank Nevada State Bank for being one of our Community Pride partners. Las Vegas Now. We'll be right back.